So in order for us to use SimplEX, we would go to the section where it says exchange, select simple. That will bring us to the SimplEX. And for this example, since we're buying Bitcoin, we would select I like to buy. We would select Bitcoin. It's going to ask us to enter an amount. So in this case, let's say we're buying 0.01 BTC. The equivalent is 98.5 euros. Hit OK. And it's just going to ask us, how would you like to pay? So let's select euros. And in detail, this would be the amounts after the fees are included. Just to note that we aim to provide our clients with the best pricing available and match all orders at their respective requested rates. There are times, however, due to an increase in volatility or trading volumes, where orders may be subject to slippage, which results in a fill rate that is not at the rate that was initially quoted. So keep that in mind, that when you are buying, you may have that price movement and price change between levels. So hit confirm, and it would give you, it would tell you congratulations, your transaction is successful, with a summary of what you have bought, how much you paid, the fees on the underlying currency, the order ID, and the timestamp.